We're back, guys.
We're back, guys. 2019.
Right.
Can't wait to show you some new recipes, new flavour.
It's January. New show for you guys.
Flavour for a fiver.
Jeez.
Only a fiver, you know.
Mad thing.
Authentic Caribbean food for a fiver. You're mad.
So be less money, but
it.
the same flavour to make.
Stew chicken and rice for the family, for your friends, for couples, even for meal prep for the whole week.
What about this £5 flavour is that because obviously we're not going to use the whole jar of seasoning. So what we done is
sometimes
do
we
it. No,
Sometimes we just fling the whole thing in.
no, we
Sometimes.
don't.
Wake up, guys. I was making rice and peas and I was pouring it in the salt. The thing just fell in the pot, bro. It was mad. You know when salt goes in the food,
Yeah.
no coming back.
Crazy, no coming
It's
back.
done.
You can't do nothing. But guys, it's £5 flavour, serving 4 to 6 people. So regarding the servings, we done it according to those people.
Yeah.
You buy a whole seasoning jar, you only use 2 teaspoons.
Yeah.
So we done the price per serving.
That's right. Flavour for a fiver. Who would have thought, guys?
Trust me. To subscribe, like,
That's it, man.
share.
Comment below what recipe you want to see next, and we can show you how to make it for a fiver. No Scotch bonnets, guys, so we use mixed chilies. I wonder if it's going to be hot enough.
This is my message to you. Don't worry. Don't worry.
This is better.
Cheap.
Very cheap. Really bargain. Chicken is very nice.
Yeah.
I enjoy it myself.
Only £4.50.
Only £4.50.
For 4 to 5 people. You know.
Oh God.
The whole family.
For 4 are you in it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's very good.